Have you been finding it difficult to obtain your TIN either as an individual or as a corporate entity? Have you been asked to pay any amount of money to help generate your TIN? You are being deceived. You do not need to pay anyone to obtain your TIN. TIN is free. You can do it on your own in the comfort of your home or office. To register for TIN for an individual, log on to www.jtv.gov.ng. On the home page, click on Individuals, which will display a list of options, and then select Register for TIN Individuals. This takes you to the next page that will require you to fill in your BVN, date of birth, first name, and last name. Once you are done, click on Search. Please note, if you already have your TIN, this will be displayed on the screen. But if you do not have your TIN, it will take you to the next page that will require you to fill in more information about yourself, such as your NIN, state of origin, marital status, email address, country, state of residence, local government, city, address, occupation, nationality, and phone number. After you have accurately filled the information, click on Submit, and once the information provided is correct and acknowledged by the Joint Tax Board, you will receive your TIN certificate bearing your TIN in your email address. You see, obtaining your TIN is as easy as ABC. Yes, Taxpayer Identification Number, TIN. How do you acquire TIN for a non-individual, that is, a company or an organization? Every company, organization, business entity, and NGO is expected to obtain a Taxpayer Identification Number for tax purposes. These days, TIN is automatically allocated to companies upon registration with the Corporate Affairs Commission. But for any company yet to obtain a TIN, log on to www.jtv.gov.ng. On the home page, click on Business, which will display a list of options, and then select Register for TIN Non-Individuals. But before you log on, get the information now showing on your screen ready. Now, after logging in, the page will prompt you to select your organization type, then fill in your registration number with the CAC and then the registered name. After that, it will take you to the next page that will require you to fill in more information such as your main trade, phone number, email address, date of commencement, date of incorporation, your business sector, financial year begin, financial year end, share capital, line of business, country, state, local government, city, street name, and street number. You will also be required to fill in director's details such as full name, phone number, address, email address, and shares. After filling your details accurately, click on the box to prove that you are not a robot, and then click on Submit. Once your information is acknowledged and verified by the JTB, your TIN certificate bearing your TIN number will be sent to your email address once generated. With technology, everything is now seamless. You do not need to visit the tax office to obtain your tax identification number. We must emphasize that TIN is free. You do not need to pay to obtain your TIN. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on other social media handles.